Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. It is morning here at Camp Jess, and Hudson and I are just hanging out. He had breakfast. It actually rained like all night last night, so I was a little worried about if I was going to be able to get out of here, but I think I should be okay. If I just get over here, I should be able to drive right out. Shouldn't be an issue. I'm making pancakes just like I did the other day. I got my pancake mix poured. Now I got to get some water. See my breath? Oh, my chapped lips. I had chapped lips last trip too for like the first 2 weeks. I've been using chapstick and drinking water, but my lips are chapped. Cold enough to see your breath this morning though. I didn't capture any pancake flips, so we'll capture the last one. Ooh, that one's looking a little burnt, but we'll still eat it. It'll be fine. Here is the beautiful plate. Wow, nice and gorgeous. Now let's throw some syrup on this bad boy. Here we are eating some pancakes. We just had pancakes the other day. I would say the first 2 pancakes that I made today, I did a better job. They're not really burnt and they just taste nice and fluffy. The raspberries are definitely a different flavor than the blueberries, but I think it works. It all depends what you prefer, but I think the raspberries I like better actually. They're like a little bit sweeter of a flavor than the blueberries. We'll give Hudson a bite. I think he likes them too. I might have made too much, but we're probably gonna eat it all. We're about to see if we can get out of here. We should be able to. Yeah. We're gonna go look and see if anyone has left from some of the cooler spots. If not, we're gonna go find a hike to do. But at least we got out of that spot. I think we might have just found ourselves a spot. Oh yeah, this is definitely a spot. Hudson has just been playing with his different balls that he has out and different toys. And I've just been sitting around. So yeah, I think we're gonna fly the drone soon, then maybe go for a walk. My feelings update for the day. Let's see, how am I feeling today? I'm feeling pretty good. We had made pancakes this morning, and then we found this new cool camp spot. I feel like I'm getting in kind of the routine and getting used to it. I really like this area, the Sedona area. I'm feeling pretty good. I was feeling like a little lonely earlier, but that's just because I had no connection. But it's good to be disconnected sometimes, so I'm trying to realize that and appreciate, you know, just being out in nature and not having connection. Overall, though, I would say I'm a lot more comfortable than I was the first day that I was by myself. So I'm feeling pretty good. I'd give myself a 7 out of 10. Not 100% good, but pretty freaking good. And he's pretty happy. 12:30, we're finally getting out for a walk for the day. Parked over there, taking the boy out for a stroll. So we're barely up the road, and there's this spot right here. Looks cooler than the spot we're at, so we're gonna walk back, move the car real quick, and take this spot. Yeah. How freaking awesome of a spot is this to be able to camp? Come on, Huts. Stop chasing light. Let's go. I know. It's my fault. I have my phone out. I was just looking at my phone, not paying attention where I am, and we came up and scared these cows. Bye, guys. Sorry for scaring ya. Huh, I grabbed you. There are signs that say cows on the road, so they ain't lying. That was pretty cool, though. I overestimated how much clothing I needed, so we're wearing this jacket like a cape now. But I am prepared for the sun. Sunglasses and hat. This is where I'm camping today. Absolutely gorgeous. Wha-bam! Guess who is making noodles? Yep, that's right, Hudson. Thanks for making dinner, buddy. Appreciate you. Hudson really got right to work on dinner. He's got the water going already, got the stove out, the propane set up. Great job, dude. Great job. Now you just gotta let it boil, then you can throw your noodles in, okay? Hudson's taking care of his own dinner over there, eating some delicious Purina dog chow. And we got the noodles boiling over here. Give those 10 minutes and they should be ready. Having a little refreshment. Oh, it's a beautiful freaking day. I'm happy. And just like that, Hudson has finished making dinner. Thank you, Hudson. It looks exactly like yesterday's. Let's taste it. Exactly like yesterday's. Delicious. Kind of tastes like ravioli. It's tortellini, spinach and feta or something. Some type of spinach and cheese in a noodle with sauce. Good. We love it. We love it. Hudson and I are actually taking an after dinner walk right now. And we saw cows earlier out here. There's some more. Free grazing cattle. How awesome. Yeah, you didn't even see them. I was seeing the cows. What were you seeing? You don't know? Okay. I was just thinking about trying something, so I might try it. Sedona! We love you! Don't be embarrassed by me. That's the great thing about dogs. They don't care what you do. I don't see anyone in the immediate vicinity, so I'm not too embarrassed by that. And it's freaking awesome here. We might spend a whole nother week in Sedona. I think we will. We're gonna do so many hikes. I gotta do laundry before we leave Sedona though. I'm like halfway through my clothes. I gotta do laundry. This seems like as good a spot as any to stop and turn around. There's another site right here that looks pretty neat, but I'm happy with our site. Let's go. Once again, we are checking out the cows as we walk by. We're cool, guys. We're cool. No need to worry about us. Lovely home you guys have. Nope, stay over there. No need to follow us. If you guys didn't know, cows do listen to people. Like, they know when you're talking to them. Have a lovely day. You guys are probably gonna be like, Jess, you're so obsessed with cows. I'm not, but like, the cows must be obsessed with me because they are crossing right across the street. They're just chilling, walking across. Hudson, no. No. I don't know what this weird glare is from. It must be the sun. Bye, cows. We love you. So it's not even 60 here. Like, it's warm, but I threw on shorts because the past couple nights I've had trouble falling asleep because I've been too hot. So tonight we're not having that issue. We're going with shorts, okay? Wow, my hair is like wild. It's like 5 o'clock, so we got another hour before we gotta go to bed. I mean, before we're gonna climb in at least. We're not gonna go to bed. We got connection, so we're gonna watch some Netflix, okay? Or Hulu. I don't know. I'm weird, guys. I'm a little bit weird. That's what you get. I'm learning who I am, and I am weird. And I'm lost. Lost in the heat of it all. I'm like this. Yeah, down. Hudson, you're supposed to be my dancing partner. I've got a TikTok song stuck in my head. Just filming this in cinematic mode, make it feel dramatic. I'm just brushing my teeth here. Always gotta brush your teeth. And wipe off the toothpaste. Hey, Huts. Wow, you're so handsome. Check out this cinematic mode. Hudson. Hello, goodness. Look at the sunset that is happening right now. Spectacular. Spectacular. So awesome. I know. And you're just getting dirty before bed. That's what we like. A little dirt. But look at this sky. It's like purple. That is incredible. I just have to capture more of this. It's so cool. Just from my own memory. I'm here right now, enjoying this with crazy hair, but don't worry about that. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking awesome. Literally so freaking cool. Come here, Huts. Come here. Come here. Sugar baby mama. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? Are you kidding me? Look at this. Look at this. It just literally keeps getting better and better. Hutz is all climbed in. We just finished watching the sunset. It was freaking gorgeous. It's definitely darker out than it looks on camera, but you can see there's the afterglow of the sunset. It's almost completely gone, but he was tired.